Hello, I'm Justine Murphy with Vision Systems Design's Focus on Vision. There are some cool things happening in machine vision and imaging. Let's take a look. A new strategic partnership could be a game changer for the Edge AI ecosystem. Mountain, which specializes in Edge AI software and hardware solutions, and next-generation AI-enabled microcontroller developer Alif Semiconductor are joining forces to boost computer vision and Edge AI. The collaboration brings together Alif's ultra-low-power internal ensemble and Boleto processors and Mountain's IBEX autonomous AI vision sensor, which recently garnered a 2026 CES Innovation Award. The Mountain team says the combination involving its AI booster middleware allows frictionless deployment of high-precision AI models that are optimized for Alif's ultra-low-power hardware. It addresses a difficult choice device developers and manufacturers face when running complex AI vision, which is to use expensive high-power consuming MPU hardware or scale back to limited AI performance. This new setup essentially creates a cloud-grade computer vision software stack on Alif's processors, requiring significantly less power while offering much higher precision and faster development times. Representatives of both companies say their combined hardware-software solution will be ideal for applications like next-generation smart cameras, smart glasses, and smart factories. Safety from vehicle cab to the curb is a front-of-mind concern for waste haulers, and now an integrated system is ensuring it. WasteVision AI, whose AI platforms enable cameras on waste and recycling trucks, has unveiled a production-ready combination with safety monitoring technology developer Lytx. Essentially, WasteVision's operational AI platform, which automatically detects and documents every collection event, identifies overflowing bins at points of collection, and detects unwanted materials in recycling and waste streams, will be integrated into Lytx video systems used by waste hauling vehicles. WasteVision representatives say this integration enhances the company's AI platform while also expanding the capabilities of Lytx technology. It allows waste haulers to see safety issues at specific collection stops via Lytx camera footage and WasteVision images, detecting harsh braking, distracted driving, following distance violations, collisions, and other critical safety events. The media obtained by the integrated setup supports the safety of waste haulers and can also be used for operational reviews, evidence documentation, and training purposes. Inspection of automotive underbody trays has traditionally been done manually, which is both limiting and time-consuming. So, what if the process could be automated? Vista Solutions, a machine vision integration and consultancy provider, has developed an automated inspection system to handle the task on intricate vehicle underbody trays. Called Flex Inspect, the platform leverages advanced machine vision for more accurate inspections at relevant inspection points. The platform is powered by MV Software's Halcon, which performs and analyzes detailed measurements including width, depth, distance, and thickness at predefined points. It involves 2D cameras mounted on two 6-axis robots, each equipped with 3D snapshot imagers that produce and process images in real time. Halcon is embedded in Vista's control software, in which tasks like hand-eye calibration and alignments perform more accurate park localization and measurement. MV representatives say the Halcon Flex Inspect platform is already in use in numerous automotive inspection settings and is poised to help advance other intelligent machine vision inspection solutions. That's it for this edition of Focus on Vision. Be sure to like and share, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on social media, and visit vision-systems.com for the most up-to-date, interesting, and exciting news impacting the machine vision and imaging industry.